After learning about 7 modern wonders of the world, you may find yourself asking what were the original 7 wonders of the world. The list that we acknowledge today was compiled in the Middle Ages and comprised the 7 most impressive man-made monuments from the ancient world. The Great Pyramids of Giza. Constructed around the year 2560 BC, the Great Pyramid at Giza is the only wonder that remains standing from the original list of 7. Egyptologists believe that this stunning monument, constructed from approximately 2 million blocks of stone and believed to have taken approximately 20 years and 20,000 men to complete, was built as a tomb for the 4th century Pharaoh Khufu. Throughout history, experts have marveled at the remarkable accuracy of the pyramid's construction. The base, which covers 13 acres, is almost a perfect square, and each corner is aligned almost exactly with the 4 points on a compass. Excavations have unearthed 3 chambers known as the unfinished chambers, the Queen's Chamber and the King's Chamber. In addition, using a robot, researchers have explored many of the tunnels and alleyways that run deep into the monument. The Hanging Gardens of Babylon were reportedly a centerpiece of the ancient metropolis of Babylonia, about 50 miles south of modern-day Baghdad. Strangely, the historical events of the Babylonians do not mention the wondrous hanging gardens, leading some scholars to doubt that they ever existed. Regardless of the omission, stories of the garden spread over time throughout the ancient world, and ancient writers recorded numerous descriptions. The story goes that King Nebuchadnezzar II, who ruled in the 7th century BC, built hanging gardens to reproduce the mountain scenery that his wife was accustomed to from her homeland of Medina. The statue of Zeus at Olympia. Standing more than 40 feet tall and constructed of ivory and gold, the statue of Zeus within the temple at Olympia on the west coast of modern Greece was constructed by the Greek sculptor Phaedes around 435 BC. The giant and stunning white statue sat overlooking the ground where the original Olympic Games were held, and people came from around the Greek Empire to pay homage to Zeus and participate in the games. Scholars agree that the statue remained in the temple for more than 800 years, but there is some debate about when and how the statue was destroyed. Some scholars believe that the statue was destroyed in a fire in the temple in the 15th century. Others believe that the statue was transported from the temple to a palace, where it perished in a fire around the year 462. The Temple of Artemis at Ephesus. Built around the year 550 BC by the architect Cherysphron, the great marble temple at Ephesus, located in modern-day Turkey, was built in honor of Artemis, the Greek goddess of hunting and fertility. The stunning marble structure was surrounded by 127 Ionic columns that reached to a height of 60 feet. The facade of the temple was adorned with bronze statues attributed to a number of expert sculptors of the era, and overlooked a courtyard that served as a marketplace for people from near and far to trade their goods. On July 26, 256 BC, the night of Alexander the Great's birth, a man named Herostratus burned the main building to the ground, hoping to make his name immortal. Another temple was reconstructed on the site but was destroyed by the gods in the year 262. The Lighthouse, Pharos of Alexandria. The Lighthouse of Alexandria was located on the ancient island of Pharos, just off the coast of the Egyptian city of Alexandria, designed by Sostratus of Knidos in the 3rd century BC. Construction of the lighthouse did not begin until 305 BC during the rule of Ptolemy Soter. The lighthouse, constructed of large blocks of stones, reached a height of about 400 feet and was one of the tallest structures created by man for many centuries. Initially, the structure was intended only as a landmark for ships attempting to navigate into the harbor at Alexandria, but in the 1st century, the Romans transformed it into a lighthouse by lighting a fire at night and using reflecting mirrors during the day. After 16th centuries, guiding ships to safety, two earthquakes severely damaged the revered lighthouse. The mausoleum at Halicarnassus. Admired for its stunning beauty, the mausoleum, located near the modern city of Bodrum in Turkey, was built as the tomb for the Persian king Mausolus at Caria and was completed around 35 BC, a few years after Mausolus' death. The mausoleum, which no longer exists, was exceptional for its massive size with a base of about 12,000 square feet and a total height of 140 feet. The burial chamber and the sarcophagus, which was built of white alabaster and adorned with gold, sat on top of a stepped podium and was surrounded by Ionic columns. 16th century, after its construction, the mausoleum was damaged by an earthquake and in the early 15th century destroyed what remains of the mausoleum and used the bricks to build a castle that still stands today. The Colossus of Rhodes. The 110-foot high statue of Colossus overlooked the ancient harbor of the Greek island of Rhodes for only 56 years, but its size and construction inspired such awe in its visitor that centuries after its destruction it was included on the list of ancient wonders. The people of Rhodes commissioned sculptor Cares of Lindos to build the giant bronze statue of their patron deity Helios, the sun god, in 294 BC. Sadly, in 238 BC, Rhodes was hit by an earthquake and the city's beloved Colossus fell. However, according to historical accounts, visitors to Rhodes were still awed by the statue even as it lay in ruin on the ground. If you learned something new from this video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.